How to use Find My iPhone. Let's get started. So, for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open up Settings. Inside Settings, tap on your Apple ID. Scroll below, tap on Find My, and make sure Find My is turned on. This allows you to track your device if it ever gets lost. If your iPhone is already missing, here's what you can do. You can use another Apple device or even a friend's phone and ask them to open the Find My app. Inside the Find My application, you can go ahead and simply tap on the Me icon right over here. And just like that, scroll below, then select Help a Friend. Now sign in using your Apple ID. Once logged in, you will be able to see your iPhone's location on the map. From there, you can play a sound. If the iPhone is nearby, mark it as lost, get direction to its location, or even display a message on the lock screen. And if needed, you can also erase your iPhone remotely to protect your personal data. That's it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.